let's talk about how you can use heat transfer vinyl or DTF transfers to start your small business today. So first things first, let's talk about cost. Heat transfer vinyl for a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet typically runs around $3 each, and a 12-inch by 12-inch design of a direct-to-film transfer is about $5.25. So if you're doing a 3-color design, you are going to need to purchase 3 different sheets of heat transfer vinyl, whereas with direct-to-film transfers, all you do is upload your image and you're only paying for that 12 by 12-inch surface. So if you say that an average t-shirt costs around $5 and you purchase the 3 colors in your heat transfer vinyl, that's going to run you about $15.50. And you can sell a t-shirt for about $20, making your profit about $4.50. With the direct-to-film transfers, with the same average cost of $5 a shirt and $5.25 for your print, you will get about $10.25 in cost. So whenever you sell your t-shirt at $20, you can get a profit of about $9, a give or take. So not only is the cost difference between heat transfer vinyl and direct-to-film transfers different, the heat transfer vinyl, you are also going to have to do the cutting, the weeding, and the layering when applying your design to your surface. But with direct-to-film transfers, we do all the work for you. We print out your design already in those 3 colors, and all you do when you receive your order is press. Both the heat transfer vinyl and the direct-to-film transfers are going to be very soft and comfortable on a t-shirt. So that means the customers that you bring in are going to love the product that you have because you are using high quality materials. And you will even find that as you wear and wash your shirts, it's going to last a very long time. You will even start to see where the print oftentimes outlasts the shirt itself. And the types of shirts that you can apply this to are cotton, polyester, blended fabrics. You can even use it on canvas tote bags, and we've even done them on wood. You can use all different kinds of fabrics to apply this to, so you're not limited to just t-shirts for your business. All right, guys, I really hope that this has helped you get a good understanding of how to get your small business started. And if you have any questions at all, you can leave those in the comments or reach out to our amazing customer service team. See you later.